Thank you very much, Ananya, and thank you to all my panelists for taking out your precious time to share your wisdom with all the content creators, influencers, and all the people who have joined this program today. So, today our panel discussion topic is building influence with purpose, which is content credibility and creating real impact in this digital age. And I'll start with my first question with none other than our celebrity guest who does not like to tag himself as a celebrity, but I know for a fact the work speaks for itself. He has worked in famous movies like Mukhtar Chadda, Mamla Legal Hai Season 2 on Netflix. How many of you have seen him, by the way? Raise a fan. He's so kind, isn't he? And Rak on Amazon Prime, Vicky Donor Beshram, Bunty or Bubbly 2. Indrapal ji, so much of work with the industry, so much of experience. And my question pertains some depth today from you, which you always provide whenever we talk. So you have worked across acting, writing, and content creation. And in today's digital world, young people develop a unique voice instead of copying trends. How should they create that young, dynamic voice?
First of all, I would just like to mention the word celebrity. In my first book, it's called The I Way, Imagination Way, a book of 100 quotes. There's a simple quote which Guru Sahib blessed me with, and I forwarded to the world. God is the only celebrity.
Wow.
God is the only celebrity. We are all his celebrations.
Wow, amazing. Very well put up, sir.
So, to put it in Punjabi, ਸਾਡੀ ਕੋਈ ਔਕਾਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ 7-8 ਫੁੱਟ ਥੱਲੇ ਗੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਹ ਅੰਦਰ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਉਨੀ ਤੇ ਔਕਾਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਬਾਹਰ ਕੱਢ ਸਕੀਏ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਈਗੋ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੂਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਆਲ ਦ ਸ਼ਾਈਨਿੰਗ ਸਟਾਰਸ ਦੈਟ ਯੂ ਸੀ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਹੀ ਹੈਜ਼ ਬਲੈਸਡ ਇਹ ਨੂਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਹੈ ਕ੍ਰੈਡਿਟ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਕਮਿੰਗ ਬੈਕ ਟੂ ਯੂਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ there's another quote I wrote in that book. So that quote states, don't let your instinct, comma, get extinct.
Wow.
So to further this, when we come across any trouble or bad times in our lives, we go to others to seek help and guidance. Guidance and help is good. But to see further, look within. आपके अंदर भी एक नूर है बाकी लोग आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं गाइड कर सकते हैं लेकिन जो आपका यूनिक डीएनए है हम सबका डीएनए इज 99.9% सेम है वो डिफरेंशियल है 0.01% का वो जो डिफरेंशियल है वही ढूंढना है और ज़िंदगी की वही जद्दोजहद है जिसको वो डिफरेंशियल मिल गया वो बन गया स्टार. So find your differential. You are unique. You can get inspired by people. Yes, I get inspired by a lot of people. Amitabh Bachchan, Ajay Devgan, Akshay Kumar. You know, there are tall personalities. We should get inspired by them. Scientists like Abdul Kalam. You know. So, but we can only get inspired. The fire, the spark within is only for us to recognize. So look within to see further. That is my advice for every young boy and girl today.
Amazing. As expected, so much of substance. Isn't he full of substance? Amazing man. That's why I adore him the most. I would request now Ramneek Singh 1313. What can you say about this man? I mean, what kind of influence and impact he has created over the years? 50 million followers is no joke. I mean, a huge round of applause for Ramneek ji. And let me tell you that this 50 million followers he has created over a period. I mean, he had been into full-time business, what he told me, whenever we talk and discuss. He's so much into lifestyle and so much into motivation, now spiritual content also, entire family. The kids are over here, they're also our esteemed awardees today. Sir, I want to ask you, you have built up massive audience across platforms. Any 3 habits you would like to share which are very relevant for the creators, for the young creators, and anything you want the creators to stop doing immediately? Both ways I want you to guide us.
Thank you so much, Author Sherry, to giving me this such a big platform to come and express my views. I would like to start with I am a very good learner, which is a big part of our success, our family's success. So on the stage, I have learned one thing. What Paji has said, that uh, God is the only celebrity. Yeah. So God is the only celebrity. What he said that
And
we
we
are
are
all
only
celebrities.
celebrations.
But I would like to, थोड़ा सा creator है तो थोड़ा कुछ create कर देते
अच्छा
हैं.
हो जाए.
So we all are his followers. so it's not about 50 million followers. So God is the only celebrity. We are all followers. But yes, by God's grace, God has been kind. So we receive a lot enormous love from our audience. तो धीरे धीरे करते हमारी जर्नी 7 years में 50 million हो गई.
Wow.
So 3 things what I would suggest to all the creators and all the listeners. एक तो first thing is do what you are good at. Don't follow somebody, because क्या है कि हम normally creator क्या करते हैं कि उसने ये किया तो उसकी वीडियो वायरल हो गई, मैं भी करता हूँ, मेरी भी हो जाएगी. तो 1 दिन 2 दिन 4 दिन वी कैन डू दिस, मे बी एक आधी हो जाएगी. बट अगर आप वो लॉन्ग टर्म नहीं कर पाओगे कंटेंट क्रिएशन, तो वो लॉन्ग टर्म जर्नी में सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज यू डोंट लाइक वॉट यू आर डूइंग. सो माई फर्स्ट सजेशन इज डू वॉट यू लाइक, सो दैट यू कैन डू इट फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड. 1-2 दिन के लिए नहीं, बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग जर्नी, इट्स अ लॉन्ग जर्नी, एंड यू हैव टू बी. एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट इज बी कंसिस्टेंट. So it's 7 years of a journey. We haven't missed even a single day to upload a video. It's a long time.
Consistency.
So 7 years we haven't missed a video. So by God's grace we are able to do it. I would suggest be consistent. And third thing is that you need to have a team. Whether you are a single creator, whether you have a family, whether you have a cameraman, you need to have a strong team. By God's grace साड़ी तो अपनी टीम है परिवार ही अपना है, ते टीम अपनी है, तो बॉन्ड भी स्ट्रांग हो गया. एंड इट्स अ वेरी वेल स्पेंड टाइम विद ईच अदर. मज़ा आता है. इट्स वर्क नहीं लगता. इट डजंट लुक लाइक वी आर वर्किंग. इट्स जस्ट दैट वी आर हैविंग सम फैमिली टाइम एंड वी आर मेकिंग वीडियोज, laughing ourselves and making people laugh. And now that we are ਬਾਈ ਗੋਡਸ ਗ੍ਰੇਸ ਬਾਬਾ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਪਾਸੇ ਵੀ ਲਾਤਾ, ਤੇ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਰ ਆਨੰਦ 10 ਗੁਣਾ ਵੱਧ ਗਿਆ. ਸੰਗਤ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ
Amazing.
ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਆਨੰਦ ਹੈ. ਤੇ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ.
Amazing. Always inspiring to hear you.
And the one thing which I want you to stop, what Paji has asked me to tell, is that again, just don't do what you don't like, and just do what you like, so that you can do for it a longer time. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. So going by the serial over here, so I'll come to Pujneet. So how many of you know Bokha Sand YouTube channel, by the way? That's Pujneet Singh for you. He's here. So Pujneet, सबसे पहले तो मैं दसो मैं की खावा जड़ा बहुत popular कोई dish है ये. So would love to hear that also. One. So I'll club my question. I want you to answer it in one go. How has been the food culture in India, which is building up now in last 10 years? Because now, another one. I want you to answer more. And AI is everywhere. So do you think it can replace food creators? I'm sorry, but I did want to jump up all the questions. But yes, I want you to answer comprehensively. Over to you.
सबसे पहले बात करते हैं फ्रॉम लास्ट 10 years, जब से सोशल मीडिया पॉपुलर हुआ है तो फूड का क्या चेंज हुआ है. अगर आप 10 years बैक देखें तो मोस्टली वी आर रिलाई ऑन जो टीवी चैनल्स पे आता था. हमें ना नई जगह के बारे में पता ही लगता था. वही घूम फिर के, वही दिल्ली की 5-6 जगह होती थी, वो घूम फिर के हैदराबाद, वही घूम फिर के लखनऊ. कभी किसी ने एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं किया, ना हमें दिखाया. बुक्स में भी आप देखोगे ना, बुक्स भी सारी अवधी कुजीन, इधर लखनऊ के बारे में लिखा जाता है, हैदराबाद के बारे में लिखा जाता है, दिल्ली के बारे में लिखा जाता है. कभी किसी ने जम्मू की बात ही नहीं की. आज आप जम्मू जाके देखो ना, वहाँ पे वेज नॉन वेज दोनों लाजवाब है. मतलब एक सबसे ज़्यादा होता है ना अंडररेटेड कोई सिटी है. मतलब लखनऊ को सब जानते हैं, हैदराबाद को सब जानते हैं, जम्मू के बारे में किसी ने तारीफ नहीं की. ये चीज़ें तब सामने आई जब क्रिएटर आया. क्रिएटर ने जाके आप छोटे छोटे शहर देखो. मैं खुद अंबाला का हूँ. आप सोच सकते हो कि अंबाला के वीडियोस लोग डालेंगे और दिल्ली से लोग जाएंगे, पूरे इंडिया से अंबाला जाके लोग वीडियो खाएंगे, मतलब सॉरी फूड खाएंगे अंबाला का. कोई आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. ये क्रिएटर पावर थी, उन्होंने टोटली जो
Undoubtedly.
फूड टूरिज्म होता है वो फूड टूरिज्म को इतना प्रमोट कर दिया कि छोटे छोटे शहर या जिनके बारे में कुछ बोला ही नहीं जाता था वो चीज़ें पॉपुलर हो गई। एक एग्जाम्पल और देखता हूँ, हल्द्वानी के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता था, ठीक है, सौरभ जोशी वो जो बहुत बड़ा क्रिएटर है वो अपने जहाँ खाने जाता है तो लोगों ने उसको देख के हल्द्वानी के फूड एक्सप्लोर करने, कभी आपने सोचा था भाई हल्द्वानी भी आप खाने के लिए कभी जाओगे? तो ये पूरी क्रिएटर इंडस्ट्री ने जो हिडन जेम्स थे हमारे इंडिया में जिसके बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता था, जिस छोटी छोटी रेडियां होती हैं जिनके पास पैसे नहीं है कि प्रमोशन कैसे करनी है, कैसे नए ग्राहक के पास पहुंचना है, ये पूरा का पूरा क्रिएटर ने
खाना
change कर
टेस्टी है उनका, छोटी रेडियो का भी ना, you'll see
कहाँ
that-
का सर?
जो भी आप ऐसे फूड स्ट्रीट फूड की बात कर रहे हो,
फूड स्ट्रीट आप
Mouth
खुद
watering
डरते हो।
food.
देखो मैं इवन अपने हमारे घर के 1-2 किलोमीटर में क्या होता है, कहीं नई जगह खुली होती है तो हम भी है ना झिझकते हैं कि यार यहाँ खाया जाए या नहीं खाया, पता नहीं क्या होगा। तो क्या होता है जब क्रिएटर जाता है तो वो थोड़ा सा आपको शोकेस कर देता है, यहाँ ये मिलता है, तो आप वो उस पे ना रिस्क लेके जाके ट्राई करते हो। अदरवाइज पहले क्या होता था, खुला हुआ है तो खुला हुआ है, कोई जाता ही नहीं था। अब कम से कम लोग जाके ट्राई करते हैं और लोगों को
Very
पसंद
well
आता है तो
said.
उनका पक्का ग्राहक बन जाता है।
वेरी वेल सेड, नो दैट्स क्वाइट वैलिड एक्चुअली। तो एक चीज मैं आपसे और पूछना चाहता हूँ जो मेरे दिमाग में भी आ रही है, अगर कोई आउटलेट बंद हो जाए जिसको आपने कवर करा हो 2 साल पहले 3 साल पहले, अब वीडियो तो वो आ जाता है। अब ऐसे हुआ मेरे साथ, मैंने देख लिया आउटलेट एंड आई टोल्ड माय डॉटर कि यहाँ चलेंगे, वो पापा कहाँ चलेंगे, तो बंद हो गया।
हाँ।
तो फिर वीडियो देखा लिया 3 years अगो लिखा हुआ था
हाँ।
वीडियो में।
नहीं ये चीजें
How do you cover that?
ये चीजें होती हैं। और इवन कोविड के बाद बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज हुई हैं। कोविड के बाद काफी चेंजेस आ गए, जो बहुत अच्छे पुराने भी बैठे हुए थे वो भी खत्म हो गए, कईयों के जो लोग बनाते थे कोविड में वो चले गए। और कई बार क्या होता है जो बिजनेस
Absolutely.
और जो आउटलेट होता है ना वो भी किसी ना किसी चीज़ के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है। जैसे कई बार होता है कि उस जगह का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट चल रहा था, वो जगह का किराए पे था, उसने देखा इसकी दुकान चल गई, वीडियो चल रहा है, वो लालची हो जाता है किराएदार, वो कहता है भाई मैं 15,000 लेता हूँ, मैं 50,000 लूंगा। अब मैंने ऐसे देखे, मैंने बहुत सारे क्रिएटर किए हैं जो 10-10, 15-15 हज़ार पे अपना किराए की दुकान होती थी। जब उनका बिजनेस चल गया तो वो मालिक आता था, कह रहा नहीं अब तो मैं 50,000 लूंगा। तो वो ये चीज़ें होती हैं। तो जब 2-3 साल पहले बनाया होता है तो वो कई बार अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं या नहीं तो कहीं और स्विच कर जाते हैं वो।
अमेजिंग अमेजिंग। तो एआई का क्या रोल रहेगा वो एक बार आप जरूर बताओ।
एआई देखो, मैं खुद आईटी प्रोफेशनल हूँ। मैं
तभी
अपने ऑफिस में पिछले 300 एम्प्लॉयज इन माय ऑफिस। तो मतलब एआई तो देखो, अगर आप एआई को अडेप्ट कर लो, चाहे आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, आप जॉब कर रहे हो, कंटेंट क्रिएशन कर रहे हो, एआई को अपना दोस्त बना लो। उसको अगर आप अपना दोस्त बना लोगे ना, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प होने वाली है। आई गिव यू सिंपल एग्जांपल। पहले क्या होता था कि मैं कुछ वीडियो में बोलना होता था ना, तो मैं सोचता था कोई मेरे मुंह से ऐसी चीज़ ना निकल जाए या कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होना चाहिए, तो मुझे सोचना पड़ता था। मैंने कहीं देखा नहीं कोई वीडियो में, क्योंकि मेरा मोस्टली यही होता था यूनिक कंटेंट लेके आना है, नई नई जगहें का, और कहीं देखा नहीं है तो आपको लाइव उसी वक्त उसका बताना है। या उसको अब वॉइस ओवर भी आ गए हैं कि आप वॉइस ओवर करो तो बाद में एआई से आप स्क्रिप्ट लिख सकते हो। आप सिर्फ अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता दो, भाई मुझे ये ठीक लगा, ये लगा, ये लगा, आप डालो, आपको पूरी स्क्रिप्ट सामने पेश कर देते हैं। इवन इतना कुछ है एआई में, मैं अभी मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता कि मैं उसको और इम्प्लीमेंट करूं या आप कुछ भी कर रहे हैं। इवन आगे चल के मुझे रिकॉर्ड करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। आप अभी भी जाओगे सोशल मीडिया पे, आपको दिख जाएगा कि आप बैठे हो लेकिन आपने वो वीडियो नहीं रिकॉर्ड किया, लेकिन वीडियो में दिखेगा आप ही का फेस, सब कुछ आपका होगा। पहले क्या होता था, स्टूडियोज पे इतना खर्च होता था कि आपका बैकग्राउंड स्टूडियो, लाइट्स वगैरह, ये सब आपने अपने घर के कमरे में बैठ के बनाओ, पीछे एआई आपका बैकग्राउंड वगैरह सब चेंज कर देगा। तो एआई को जितनी जल्दी अपने में इम्प्लीमेंट कर लो अपने टास्क में, वो उतना अच्छा है।
Adaptability is the key.
हाँ जी।
So thank you, Pushneet. Wonderful. Your information was very inspiring. So I'll move to my next panelist now, Pooja Dhankar. She's a serial entrepreneur and a very dear friend. Runs a chain of Cafe 7 Hughes. Pooja, entrepreneurship demands a lot of courage, resilience, self-belief. If you can share some challenge for your startup, which you felt that can be of help while building up your venture. For all other startups, many startupreneurs are out here, and many creators are also here who are planning to maybe have a IPO for their startup. Who knows? And how your confidence help you to turn out any obstacle into an opportunity?
And thank you, Sherry, for the question. Yeah, so when we talk about entrepreneurship, it is always a challenge. And the first step itself is courage. So if you believe, if you even get the idea that you want to do that, that's courage. So people who have courage will definitely take that decision. But courage stops there. After that, there are a lot of things which matter. The first thing is, because as entrepreneurs, I'm sure would agree, a lot of times when we start, we come through situations where we have self-doubt. So that's very important to have self-belief. Trust your idea, trust your courage, whatever decision you had picked up, trust that will go. Because when we started, we don't come from this background. I come from fashion industry, my sister comes from aviation, and we started this cafe for very emotional reasons. So we had no background. Still, we started this, and we were very sure of our intent. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, करता है तू कन्हैया, जो सर नहीं बोला, नाम हमारा होता है. So with that belief and with self-belief, we started it. But as you say, challenges are always there, every day. So then comes resilience. So when you're ready with the cafe, you're just waiting for the customers to come. So that is the place you really can't, reality is different. They'll not just come, as he said, कुछ cafe शुरू हुआ या कुछ भी शुरू हुआ, they'll not just enter, right? They need some assurance. So that is where we started seeing our challenges as feedback. And we worked on feedback. We made sure that the service, the experience that we gave to our few customers who were coming were extraordinary and for the whole life to remember. We worked on that. We started building a community of Cafe 7 Hues. And that is how resilience was very important, to come back, stay there again, every day smile, every day accept new customers, every day build your relationships with them. And then finally, I'll say, Sherry, what is most important after all of this is consistency. Consistency not when somebody is watching you. Consistency when nobody is watching you. So get ready, go to the cafe, every day with the same passion, every day with the same smile, every day with the same attitude and positivity is one of the most important thing to do any business. Matlab, for all the entrepreneurs, for all the startups, just have these 4-5 points with you. Challenges will keep coming. Just change them into opportunity the way we did. We had lesser number of guests. We made them our ambassadors. We gave them best services. We gave them best experiences, I would say. And we are more of a human connection cafe. So whoever comes knows us. So it's more of a personal relationship we have with each and every guest that we welcome there. So I think all of these points made our customers our ambassadors. We started having parties, we started having mehendi functions, we started having many things which are just impossible. So from a few basic things that we had at cafe, then we made it a pure thing. Everything is available. Although we had never challenge, we are pure veg. So that's the biggest challenge that we have. But fortunately, that is our strength as of today. People come to us because we are pure veg. I think I've covered few points. Rest.
And how about that new venture you're starting on the Dehradun Expressway?
Yeah,
what's cooking over there?
We are taking over a restaurant which was already running, but not running really well. So now this is a proud moment that just for 2 years of experience of cafe, we can say we know things in this industry. So we are taking up that which is on the Dehradun Expressway highway, and we feel it is a very, again, like I said, the idea, the courage. So we took this step very courageously that we are taking that over, and we will name it Cafe 7 Hues. And we also have branches at Dharamshala. We are also opening one in Gurgaon. So fortunately, unki daya se sab chal raha hai.
Excellent. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to the end of this wonderful panel discussion. Though my heart says that keep asking more questions, Sherry. A lot of wisdom is coming right now. But I have time constraint. But it is evident for all of you to see that we are now shifting gradually from the consumer economy to a creator's economy. And that's the need of the hour. And I encourage all of you, all the parents out here, to at least start thinking this industry not as just time pass or binge watching or doom scrolling. Start thinking about the fact that this is an industry now. And as I said in the beginning, it's a 5,000 crore industry right now, and we're expecting it to double by 2030. So you all are part of it, and we all love content. Many of you create content. Many of the business owners here also love the fact that they can popularize themselves and their brands by sharing the content. So one last word from all of you in one line. I would like to pass on the mic to Indrapal ji. One line you would like to convey to the content creators. Just one line, one message. One line from all the panelists.
Go where your heart takes you, but take your mind along.
Go where your heart takes you, but take your mind along.
Just do what your heart says so that whatever you do doesn't feel like work, it feels like you are enjoying your life.
Do what your heart says and doesn't feel like work.
आप वो करिए जो आपका दिल और दिमाग कहता है. लोगों को दिखाने के लिए, लोगों को खुश करने के लिए आपने नहीं करना है. आप ये देखिए जो आप कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं कि क्या वो सच है, क्या उसमें आप जो अपना फीडबैक दे रहे हैं, जो एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रहे हैं, सामने वाले के लिए कोई वैल्यू ऐड कर रहा है. तो कुछ भी कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं उसमें कोई ना कोई सामने वाले के लिए वैल्यू ज़रूर हो.
No show off, pure authenticity. Thank you, Puneet. Yes.
I think your intent and content should be in sync. So please focus on a pure intent and the right content, and your kathni karni should be same. So not
Katni Karni, pure content. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, all the panelists. That's all I have from here. Until I meet you next time, this is Author Sherry signing off, and I'll see you soon. Thank you to all my panelists, and please stay back because we would like to honor you also. Just stay back.
We will now move on to honoring our honorable panel members. Please stay on stage for collecting your felicitations. Yes. We will begin with Mr. Inderpal Singh, Imagine Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for him. Please show some excitement, encourage our panelists. Congratulations, Mr. Inderpal Singh. Next, we will be honoring Ramneek Singh of the renowned 1313 family. Please put your hands together for him, please, audience. The next panelist receiving the honors will be our renowned food influencer, Mr. Pujneet Singh. Please put your hands together, everyone. And last but not the least, we will be honoring Miss Pooja Dhankar. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Pooja Dhankar with a huge round of applause. Now that we have concluded with our beautiful panel, that was one insightful discussion that I'm sure that will be surely this panel discussion was really an amazing session that you all enjoyed. Now I would like to call upon the entire jury panel to on stage to share their thoughts on the panel discussion that we just had. The respected jury members, please join us on stage.
May I request Puneet Kochar ji, please join me. Pooja, once again, please be on the stage. And Manveet has just left us. So both of you please can come. And Gurpreet Tikuji is not in town, so unfortunately he is not here. Puneet ji, please come. So both these graceful ladies were in touch to shortlist all the awardees, and I request you if you can share some of your experience around shortlisting these awardees, or what kind of profiles you just checked, and all these awardees are over here today. So if you can share something about them.
Arthur Sherry, first of all, this is such a nice platform. On all kudos to you to acknowledge the work all the content creators are doing from different age groups, finding content creators who must not have been acknowledged as yet, but yes, acknowledging the kind of work, effort, because as one, I know how much time, effort, dedication it takes to create something. And when somebody's been acknowledged for the work they do, I mean, this is the best work you're doing for them.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And I truly appreciate the range of profiles we have from the youngest one to the eldest one. आजकल कंटेंट क्रिएटर की कोई एज लिमिट नहीं है. Anybody, I mean, a newborn is also a content creator, and I truly appreciate the fact. Thank you.
Thank you, Puniji, for your wise words. Thank you for your support. Pooja, if you can share something.
Yeah, getting so many, what should I say, applicants was huge, and selecting content creators was more difficult because, as she rightly said, this is the only thing जहाँ पे age limit नहीं है. So a newborn is the best content creator, and same is as senior उतनी अच्छी उनकी content होता है because obviously they have life experiences. So it was absolutely a task to get all the awardees on selection criterias. We had some criterias which were given to us, and we could finally do that. There were more jury members with us, so all of us were in touch and we did that the same. And once again, thank you, Sherry, for this platform, and to all of you, this platform will take you higher and higher again. So congratulations to all of you awardees.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So may I request Smarty Chadda ji to please come on the stage and felicitate Puneet Kochar ji.